my loves, it's a great time you're Big T, and we are back. I haven't been here for like 6 to 7 months right now. Oh my god, and it's 2025. A lot has happened, guys. So yeah, I need to update you guys really quickly. But I also need you guys to not focus on my nails, child. My nail appointment is gonna be this weekend, okay? Okay. So a lot has happened, guys. I opened a hair business. I haven't been finding time. If I find time, I will just make time for myself, take myself out, or like go see my family, you know. But this year, honey, I don't care if I have to sacrifice a weekend. I am being consistent. This is what I love. I love being on set. I love shooting. I love talking. I love yapping. This is me. Do you understand? Big T. On today's video, we're gonna be having blush, honeys. You know, it's my favorite from 2 years ago, from my first video. Like, le champagne, guys. We come a long way. Like, you guys know. You guys know. It's my ultimate favorite. We're gonna be having it today. You know, just have a little bit of fun. And also, I've been finding time to celebrate a few things. I believe this is the time. Also, I'll be catching up with you guys. Isn't that nice? A lot has happened, guys. Like, a lot has happened. I have been not well. It's not an excuse for not uploading though. I have not been well because as a business owner, man, you'll never be fine, guys. Like, you'll never be fine. Also, for me, I was still finding it, you know. A lot of things were not in place. I'm gonna get there. So everything was a lot for me. Ne? Ooh, sorry. Let's pop and then we can talk properly, okay? So you guys, what happened is I did open a hair business by God's grace and mercy. Actually, it's doing well. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. To such a point where your girl bought herself a car. I bought a car, guys. Isn't that crazy? The 18-year-old girl who opened YouTube had no hope, or I never thought in my life I'd own a car, guys. Like, what? It's still so crazy to me. Ufike was September, girl, and now it's January 2025. It's been a while. Her name is Angel. You guys are gonna see her vlog. I'm gonna upload a vlog after this. And also the circumstances that I was talking about, that I was facing last year. You know, when you have so much potential but you just don't have, not time necessarily, but you know what you need in order to like achieve whatever you want. For instance, when I always knew that I wanted a bigger space, like I was in a one room. That was my biggest achievement last year. But it got to a point where, okay, one thing about Nandi is Timby, like I got to a point where it's like, hey, I need a bigger space. And then people would close to me, they were like, oh, you can afford a bigger space. I was like, I'm gonna do it. And that's how you work hard. Like, you have to, sometimes it doesn't work well, like when the indoors as bad. Do you understand? So I told people that nah, I want a car, I want a bigger space, and it's gonna happen. They were like, hey, you mother, hey, like they were like, yeah. But I told myself, I want these two things. Your girl has moved into her first big girl apartment, guys. It's crazy. Like, that's crazy, guys. I just wanted to update you guys. I have been hesitant though. I didn't think I was gonna say this on YouTube, but I've been watching other creators and they do tell their supporters that they got a car, they got an apartment, but I just didn't have time to be vlogging and all of that because, you know, it was so hectic last year, guys. Now at least it's January, it's not too busy. I haven't had time to record, but I will find time all the time, give weekends. If I have to shoot, I'm gonna do like this, like sit here on Friday, just chill at home for YouTube. It's possible if you make time for it, okay? Like, I'm actually very proud of myself, guys. Like, so crazy. I cry at times, out of the pink. Like, I just terribly cry because I've been through so much. I worked hard for Angel. I worked hard for my place. I worked hard for everything. I like Ibandasekaya. It's dedication, discipline, and focus. And this is to encourage each and every person out there that you can do it in Zitembe. Focus on your dreams. Each and every disturbance or distraction that is there, cut it off. Oh baby, if you have to lose people, cut them off and focus on you. It doesn't mean that, but I did that. Do you understand? And you can too. Build a strategy and focus. Don't lose focus. You don't have to do the same thing I did. You can do it. Like but you can find your niche and make sure you eat. Everything you do, go all out, baby. Do your best. Do better than the day before. Every day, push. I don't know, guys. I don't know where I get so much drive. Like, it's crazy. I was talking with my boyfriend and we were just talking about, what do you like about me? What do you like about you? Like, you know, those type of conversations. And then he said, the most thing that I took from you is how confident you are. If you say you're doing something, nobody's in Maganja, you do it. Yana has seen all of the process, and if he was not there, I don't think I would be here too, because I got to quit going a lot more. If you really want to focus on your dreams, guys, you have to slow down on grooving and too much restaurants, you could say so, and just try to save up money, focus on your dreams. Like 2 days you could be spending on groove and restaurants. Build. You guys, I can't believe it. Build, guys. There's build. The results will be crazy. You were building. You were building the whole time. Don't lose focus. Yeah, so he was talking that, yeah, when you really want something, you go for it. You are mamela sure, but you go for it and you do it. So that's one thing I didn't really know about myself, but until he said it, I was like, oh wow, I really go for things. Like, looking back, I really do, and you can do it too. Okay, guys, that's it. Please enjoy my vlog. Subscribe, honey. Please, my loves, and yeah, thank you.
Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. We want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you do what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Like a glance from the past, you can destroy. The frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done to you to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You feel like you're warm with my heart. Just think the empathy so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me. I can fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let you trust. Got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You said you warm with my heart. Didn't think the empathy so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Love you, we know you can tell me. I can fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really
Guys, it's not a lot of parcels because it's January also. It's mid-month. I mean, no one has money, but you know, we're grateful to be working. Imagine on January, but it really gets busy. My bad. So it's just these for today. Yeah. My job is done here for the day.
said you warm with my heart. Didn't think the empathy so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Said I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. You ain't no longer tell me that. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down.
get some in now. Let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so you. Baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you, baby, you don't care. Not trying to be in no sense, this is hurting. Trying to make some similar change to me, a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, I feel it. Still wanna try, still believe.
Guys, we will be doing the introduction properly. Mengbe Salon right now. My life for Joe. My life is wow. Look at all these boxes stinking. I need to drop them by the dumping site. The boxes that we used last year, guys. Oh my god, and now, oh my god, the dumping truck. Sorry, the trash truck didn't want to take them. But so I was like, okay, I need to search a dumping site that I can use, and also J. Guys, we are here. This is where they drop. So I'm done with my errands. I'm just gonna tell you guys properly. But in Pumemolingoku, I fetched 2 parcels as Buyayo. I dropped the parcels. Oh my god. Okay, guys.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you're pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
I'm hello my life. This is Gortani Yimbo, and yeah, we are back. So now, guys, I just finished my lash tint. It's gonna settle by tomorrow. The darkness is gonna settle. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. And also, me and my boyfriend are going to a concert tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just like getting ready a bit, prepping for the concert. I couldn't do my hair because my hairstylist is not here, and the others, I don't really trust them with my hair, and also they are so expensive, man. So I'm just gonna wait for her until tomorrow. Now I'm just gonna go home, answer messages, clock out of work, and then just like start my evening, have some dinner, and enjoy the night. I think this is when I will be stalking. This is the time I'll be stopped talking to you guys until tomorrow. So I think I'm just gonna quickly wrap out today's day. I don't want to do a voiceover, and also I couldn't talk to you guys at that time because time was not on my side. I needed to get my work done. I needed to, you know, get my things done in time. I think because I had to wake up very early and, you know, take them out, take a shower, and then I went straight to get my work done, and I did the rest of my errands. I went to buy this cam to get my family planning. Should I show you guys what I got? I got lip therapy, I got slimming tea, and also I got lemon juice for extending. Like, I'm so excited. I got blueberries. Like, I really want to slim, y'all. I love my body, but like my stomach, I need to do some. I have to. Like, I got more because like I think that colors okay lapana, so I just have to buy a bit more. You know, I got, is it chia seeds? Is it chia seeds? I don't know, chia seeds. I don't know, honey. Yeah, that's what I got. I get anything from Pep. That's pretty much my day, guys. One thing I missed today is to get the packaging, which I'm gonna get tomorrow morning. That's all, guys. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Is that okay with you guys? Is it okay? So I didn't want to wait until I have like things to do, like let's say Diko 20, they're out for the weekend, let me vlog. I just want to vlog and you guys can see whatever that I'm doing. Do you understand? I want to vlog everything that is happening. Some people enjoy that. Do you understand? It's so great, Tanya. Stay tuned in, baby. My lives. It's so great, Tanya. And we are back. So I'm at the packaging store. I'm here to buy packaging. I'm getting some name. Valentine's is soon. I'm already seeing cute things like that. My man is not like, I want to go to social media. Isn't like as I get clue about magazines for talent. So yeah, guys. Bye. So yummy, guys. Ooh, looks like it's made with love. Thank you. Okay guys, let's catch up right now. I am going to buy some bags while I'm waiting for my 10 a.m. appointment because I woke up early so that I can plan ahead what I'm doing today, and also I need to close early for business because it's not too busy as I've mentioned, and also we are going to a concert. It's gonna be later, but I need to like get ready and all that. Yeah, because I've been wanting to go to one of those R&B concerts and etc. So right now I am gonna go to Pep, get those bags while I'm waiting for my 10 a.m. appointment by the nurse for my family planning, and then I can go home and do so let's see you guys later. Bye. love, so I'm at the location right now. So I'm about to do my family planning. I'm here for my 10 a.m. appointment. I'm here. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later when I'm done. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home or when I'm getting ready for the concert. For later, I'm gonna go home to Sebenza ngoku until I'm done. When I'm done, I'm gonna get ready for the concert. I'll see you guys later.
Put day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, won't feel it and smile. Still wanna try.
Sweet angels, this is where our day ends. I am about to drop parcels and then I get ready for the festival and I'm gonna see my man, so it's like so exciting right now. I can't wait to have a drink and just like chill and listen to music. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. So I cannot wait to like catch up with you guys and just, you know, oh my god, the sun is looking really good. Like I look amazing. And also guys, I think I'll be doing my makeup. Should I do my makeup or not? I feel I look so cute, but I'm just gonna contour a bit and just some foundation. I'm just gonna wear like a dress, black dress, J&J. I'm just gonna wear cute stuff. I'm about to go to the concert now, and you know what? I can't feel my makeup. Like, what is this? Oh my god, let's go. Guys, so we at the concert, me and my man.
Help me on my fears, my never since I disappeared. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, do it, baby.
And my love, so we are in Kanawag for a movie, Mufasa, the Lion King. And you know, I'm so excited. It's gonna be my first time in cinema. Like, I'm just really excited. I'm meeting my inner child. So yeah guys, I think after this I'm gonna go grab something to eat or like do more fun activities here.
Heavy on my empty mindset. I can keep from losing the best of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Now I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, he was holding me. To the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the way.
Hello my loves, I'm back home. I'm getting my life back together. It's Monday. I need to open my business up. So I'm just getting my life before I can open. So I wanted to tell you guys I've started my journey. I had lemonade juice earlier and gaki. I've put on my slimming, waist trainer, so that I can move around these.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
Hello my loves, how are you guys doing? Oh, I am frustrated. I am very hungry. I started my diet, slimming. Oh my god, what's this? Guys, I'm irritated for real. Am I sitting belts? Guys, and also in doing like says that I don't have food. I just don't want to eat any fatty food, so I haven't prepared enough for my diet, get things to prep. I should have prepped my meal, guys, but I came back home this morning, so yeah, I need to get some food. And then like on top of this, guys, like that's not Mali, and we have to diet. Like that's what's crazy. It's so irritating. So I'm just gonna get a few things to survive. Now I'm going to meet up with someone and drop 2 parcels of people who have been waiting. I think I missed them Friday when I was sending la batch. Yeah, the misela order just 2 people, so I'm just gonna drop them. I'm just gonna drop their parcels, but they're sweethearts, Shem. And then I think I'm gonna go by Zone Fitness to go get my card. Cause by it's only money balance and I'll card them. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Guys, I hope it's worth it. Cause and also didn't want to eat any fatty food because my day one, I don't want to disappoint myself. So let's start this again. I'm so excited though. I mean, what I couldn't get is packaging for what is this? Food prepping here. Because I can't eat anything that I want because I'm on diet. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. My sweet angels, I'm about to go home right now. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I bought, and also I'll be checking my messages on my WhatsApp business before I sleep. I need some rest. I think I'm gonna have an early night today. I think I'm gonna watch at least one vlog or like 2. I don't know, we'll see. But I do want to rest a bit today and just sleep early, take a shower, and be ready for tomorrow. I really want to be productive tomorrow. I want to promote. I want to get my bag. Yeah. And also I'm starting gym officially tomorrow, which is crazy. I'm gonna go later because I want to sleep today. I'm gonna go later around 6, and then by 8 I'll be back home. And then for the other days I think I'll go there like 7 a.m. so that I don't have to go there late because it's not safe, for ladies. The parking lot is so cool. And also, men are really creepy, guys, because parking lot but I don't know, like, what is he planning to do? Are they planning to, I don't know, it's so crazy. So I wouldn't imagine gymming at night as in Domazana and Jamayodwa, so I'll just have to use Exeni and Pagatimini. Yeah, that'll be perfect for me. Yeah. Also, yeah, guys, that's basically it, and yeah, thank you.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
Hey guys, I'm just meal prepping. This is my first bowl I'm gonna have tomorrow. Hello my love, so we're starting gym today and I feel like being home and sleeping and being on TikTok. Oh my god, I'm not feeling it. And the weather, look at the weather, like the weather, guys, the weather is so chilly. Like I wanna be home, but I made a promise to myself and I need to stick to that, guys. And I'm also gonna be dropping parcels before I can head to gym. Oh!
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
Hello my loves, I just came back from the gym. This is where the vlog will be ending, guys. Gym sebenzini ngoku and then I call it a day. Ciao. Thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, please hit the like button. Thank you.